Options Tender. It is Wednesday. Thanks for joining us. 6/9/21. We are going to go through ES of the multiple time frames with our game plan as usual. Check out BTC with the huge bounce. Is it reversing or is it just a dead cat bounce? We'll see. Then we have a couple proxy names that will add onto this bounce for today if you're looking for a good day trade or possibly even a swing. All right, so before we get into it, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit the Options Tender logo. If you're new here, subscribe. And if you've been on this channel, make sure you're getting all these videos and hit the notification button, okay? We do trade in a free Discord called The Option Guys. The link is in the description. So join us there. We got plenty of trade ideas every single day. All right, here we go. ES on the monthly. RSI with divergence still in the red hot area. So just giving us a signal. We still have full strength momentum on the MACD. Looking in this, we're still inside month, but we're actually a little bit green here. Looks like we really want to push above there. Let's see if we can do it this week. Going down to the weekly. Change to the right board. All right, so we have a red candle here, but we still are just underneath the range of this full week. We've been in this week for 3.5 weeks now. We've been in this range, and we're just trying to push over it. Everything looks bullish. The volume is waning, so that's not actually a good sign while we're moving up. Let's see if we can hold this 8 MA. And, we still have RSI negative divergence, and we look like we're trying to cross on the MACD, but nothing extreme. So just something to keep an eye on every single day, and that's why we do this. On the daily. Daily trend is our friend. All right, so RSI is not overbought. We did have some divergence there. Let's see if we can do it again by getting some all-time highs. We are crossed over on the MACD, but it's still kind of going sideways. We're bullish territory, so bullish until proven otherwise. So this is at 1 week range. We had 3 full down days, and we've been in that range ever since. So we started off with some larger candles and started pushing, got smaller. We got 1 push on Friday, and we have an inside day today. I guess you can call that a double inside day, but that's a definitely an inside day. Let's see if we can break this range. We're holding the 8 MA. That's the most important part. And then once we break this full range from 2 months, however long it was, since April, then I think we're gonna move, and I think we're gonna move hard. So the volume still so. Because we've been in this range. So let's see what happens. Maybe we can get some movement today. Otherwise, we have CPI tomorrow. And I know that's been on the movement. It's been a catalyst for the market. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's go down to the 65-minute chart. Get down to the nitty-gritty. Real tight. Monday, Tuesday, and going into Wednesday now. Just a real tight range. We tried to break down. We tried to break out. Did not happen. Looks sort of like a megaphone. Let's see if we can move out of it today. Yeah, so we'll be watching that. The count, it can be a couple different things, but let's just consider this a wave 4. So wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me get rid of this. And I'm going to leave this the 4 that it is. We don't know. I need to see something else start to happen. I need a clean break above 42.32 and a hold above it to confirm this move. And then we need a breakdown from this candle and that channel bottom. That's also 200 MA on the hourly. We should consider that the 42.11 area. That would probably do it. Break underneath there. And an hourly close. Okay, so that's it on the ES. Let's go to BTC. Bitcoin. Let's get that. That's a good one. I want this one. Okay. All right. We had support, a couple supports. We broke this one, bounced back out of it, started a little bit of symmetry, broke down from the triangle again through that main support. But now we hit the former support as well as a long-term trend line. So this gives me a little bit more conviction from this pivot here, a little bit more conviction that we're going to reverse at least to retest the downtrend line here. And so we're gonna look at playing this Mara and coin for just a little bit, see what's happening. We can make another downtrend line there. We'll fix that in a little bit. But we had this reversal candle yesterday, and now we're getting a little bit of follow through. Let's see if we could test this 8 MA. That's our first point of interest, 36,000 area. A good day trade just to get up, or two days just to get up to that area would be a good swing in itself. And then we'll see what happens when we get there. All right, so let's just look at Mara and coin just in the pre-market. Now, Mara has a 1-2 setup. So if this is a nice swing play and not just a bounce, then we have our setup right now on the daily. We are in a 65-minute right now, but that's a big 1-2. We already had our smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't really count it in there, but 1, 2 coming back to 61.8, and let's see if we can break to the upside. Coin was a little bit different. It pulled all the way back to the 786 area there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a pullback. Let's see if we can start to, it's already past the trend line. Let's see if we can start working our way up now and then close this gap. This gap's been here for too long. Let's get it. All right. And on both those, we started crossing over on the MACD, get a little bit of momentum. Okay. And just to close off, let's go over to the SPX and just see where we are. We haven't looked at the expected move in a while. Get on the daily. Remember, the expected move is our game plan for the week. We've been chopping. It gives us a good view of how we just gone sideways forever, but we just seem to be stair-stepping our way up a little bit here, but we've gone nowhere for the week. Real tight range. Let's see if we can break to the upside and hit it, or break to the downside. Right now, advantage, just because we're over the 8 MA, we're looking to the upside, but it can go either way. Coin toss. All right, thanks for joining us. Good luck trading today. Make sure you like the video.